So the week started off a little messy with spilled beans on Father's Day, but it got better.
I can't wait no more. Sick of trying, that's why I'm always smiling.
So Mr. is going in, using his Father's Day gift for the first time back here in his work area. He's working from home now while this we shut down still somewhat, so he's still at home. But he's using his massage pad that he got for Father's Day. It feels good. Oh,
Very nice.
I'm glad. They got different
Vibration.
settings.
Got the seat vibration and the full back going right now. You even got the little heat.
Oh, okay. Nice. I'm gonna have to try it. For real. My back be hurting sometimes too. So it's the Homedics, and that's what it looks like up close. There's the little knob things that kind of are the balls that roll up. So I am about to try it out. Y'all, it is so windy that the wind is moving the tent even with the bricks.
You love the ghost, man. You better leave that alone.
And so we gotta put it down, right?
Come on in here, man.
Good morning, guys. Look at those colors. They're finally coming up good. Oh my goodness, I was concerned about those. And the kale is doing much, much better. Much better. I don't know what this thing is here flowering. We got some seeds mixed in, we think, with our compost and manure from the nursery or from the place we got it from. And it's growing other things. So we got to see what it is. We're anxious to see what it is. So anyway, collards are doing good. Kale is doing much better. Look at that lettuce. Oh, about to cut some off right now. Prune some, or harvest some rather. And this little plant right down there is not doing well at all. That little zucchini bush, zucchini squash. So got to tend to it. And look at this, y'all. Look at this. Good googly moogly. These were too small. As little as last week or week and a half. And they just, all of a sudden, just, I am taken aback. Look at that. So we should be getting some tomatoes soon. We should be getting some tomatoes soon. So I'm about to get some lettuce off of here. And my neighbors probably, I have neighbors on all sides of me, but they probably be thinking, if they ever see me back here, that I am, I don't know what, because I just be snatching my head around and going on, because we got this little mini jungle back here, and it is so many little noises, and you hear stuff crawling and jumping from bush to bush. Probably squirrels and, rabbits, birds be up in here, and yeah, I'll be careful when I'm over here. Not that anything will do nothing, but it's just, I'm getting used to the sounds, but still be watching. So I got a bag full of lettuce. I think I'll take me a salad to the game today. Just keep it on ice. Isaiah has a game at 1. And then I have some kale for my smoothie this morning. Just got a handful. And yeah, so I'm making my smoothie with my fresh kale I just got out my garden. Got some strawberry yogurt here, some honey, mixed fruit, frozen pineapple, frozen strawberries, grapes, and I gotta put my apples in. So I ended up putting a banana in, or half of a banana, and almond milk and all that good stuff. I'm going to have apple in my salad at the baseball park. So I'm going to make a smoothie, half of a half of a bagel most likely, and some bacon. So I'm in my little tent, all snug, and there's my cooler, my backpack. I left my table in the car, and I could have put it right there, but I didn't. I'll get it for next time. We just have one game today, but I'm shaded. I'm eating my salad, and the field is right there. So I am comfortable.
Oh, it went.
Hey guys, so it's the next day and I am down in the laundry room, or the laundry room is in the basement. So I am about to wash my new and used clothes that I got in my thrift hauls, Goodwill and K&G, Ross, all that stuff. I'm getting ready to wash it, sanitize, wash, and yeah, get going. It's about, I guess, mid-morning, and I've already eaten breakfast, been out in the garden watering it, done most of my YouTube work, so I got some other just personal things to do. And then we're going to Isaiah's game. Hi. Good. How are you? Hey guys, so it is Saturday morning. I'm on my way to church. Turn this down. I'm on my way to church for an usher board meeting for our comeback. Our church will be starting up in a couple of weeks. So having meetings. So I'm on the usher board, going to an usher board meeting to see what our new procedures or protocols will be. Also cleaning. I'll be helping to clean before one of the services, because we're having 3 services, an hour long. So I am going to also be cleaning to me and my husband. So that's where I'm on my way to. And then after that, I might be going to my great nephew's game. I'm not sure. The time has been changed. So I wanted to go. I was planning to go, but the time has been changed. And I have a meeting, and Isaiah has practice also at church in a few hours. So don't know how the middle of the day is going to go. But this is the 3rd day of games. Thursday, Isaiah had a game an hour away. Yesterday, he had a game. It was about an hour away. Today, he has a game. Tonight at 7, he has a game. And then tomorrow, I'm not sure what time, on Sunday. So it's been games. Doing day to day. I this morning got up. We had to take the car to the shop. We have to get a new tire. Our tire has when we were on our way back from the game, a nail got in the tire. So my husband had to stop a couple times to put air in the tire, and we made it on home. And so he took it to Michael Tire this morning. And Came back home. Came back home and I watered the garden. Changed our towels, changed me and my husband's linen, and yeah. And on my way to the meeting now. So it's Saturday. Come along. So it's time to get prepared for next week. I'm making a meatloaf that will last for 2 days. Also a pan of chicken that will last for 2 days also. So for the chicken, I am coming out to my little herb garden. My cilantro done fell off here some. I gotta see what I can do to fix it. But everything else is still coming up really well. Lavender, sage, rosemary. That's, oh Lord, what is that? Chamomile. That's a pepper. This is parsley. And then I have my lemon thyme right here. So I'm about to get some lemon thyme and some rosemary. My little berries are still popping up pretty. But I came for some garlic chives. So I got to do something to my little onion over here too, but still some good. So I got me some onion. So I have some green onion here out of my garden. I have some garlic chives, some lemon thyme, rosemary. I'm going to get it on my chicken. I'm also going to put some on my roast, I think. So, but oh my goodness, it smells so good. Y'all smell so good. Excuse my fingers, you all, but I'm just sauteing this just a little bit in olive oil to release some of the flavors. Oh my goodness, it smells even better. It smells so good. So there's the baked chicken all seasoned up, ready to go into the oven. It has the herbs on it. Everything is smelling so good. Also, here's the meatloaf. It's all ready to go in the oven. I have to put a little bit of water, a little bit more olive oil and water around the edges in the pan. And you guys, both of these are going to serve for 2 days each. So I'm going to go ahead and throw a roast in the oven, and that'll be all the meats for the week. Now, each do 2 days for the whole family. There's nothing like cream of mushroom on a roast to make its own gravy. This is how. I'll put the recipe for the roast and the meatloaf at the end. But here's the meatloaf out of the oven. I just have to put the sauce on, which is a combination of ketchup and Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. It's so delicious. And here are the scalloped potatoes ready for the cheese to go on. I have the rosemary and other herbs ready, and here it is.